for Bismillah before we start. It brings barakah to every heart. C for charity, give and share. Helping others shows we care. D for dua, raise your hands high. Ask from Allah, He's always guide. E for Eid, full of light, smiles and hugs, hearts only name. F for Fajr, morning prayer. Start your day with Allah's care. G for grateful, say Alhamdulillah. H for hijab, modest and sweet. It makes our faith complete. I for inshallah, when we plan, it means if Allah wants it, He can. J for Jannat, our dream so true, with rivers and gardens made for you. K for Kaaba, black and tall, Muslims pray one and all. L for La ilaha illallah, only one God, Allahu Akbar. M for Masjid, house of prayer. We feel Allah's mercy there. In for Noor, shining bright. Faith gives heart a guiding light. Oh, for one Allah, kind and great. P for Prophet Muhammad, true and dear. His sunnah brings our hearts near. Q for Quran, Allah's word, the best message ever heard. R for Ramadan, fasting day, smiles to us and peaceful ways. S for Sadaqah, give and share. Allah loves when we care. T for Tasbih, Subhan